Hi, now I will explain you how to set up FTP server of Leo 150N BT router. Open the browser, enter in the IP address of the router, that is 192.168.7.1. Hit enter. It will ask you for the username and the password. Enter in the username as admin and password as password. Click OK. This will prompt you to the home page of the router. Now select storage from the list. Here you can see FTP server. Select FTP server. Enable the FTP server. FTP port. You can change FTP port. If you don't know anything about FTP port, don't change the settings. Then apply. This is user setting. You can add any users here. Use add button to add the user. Here you can mention username, password and access capabilities. After this, apply. Added user will appear in the list. Here Leoxis, test, test1. These are users. To check whether your FTP server has been enabled or no, open the window. Now there are two types of FTP server accessibilities. One is through WAN and one is through LAN. Now I will explain you how to access FTP server through LAN. Type in FTP:// and the username, that is now test is the user, enter in the IP address of your router, that is 192.168.7.1. hit enter. This will ask for the password of this particular user. Password of this test user is test itself, TEST. Then click OK. Now you are able to access FTP server through LAN. Now I will explain you how to access FTP server through WAN. To access FTP server through WAN, you have to enable DDNS. Under service, there is an option DDNS. Enable DDNS service. Check it and